Good morning. I have 10 odds for you. Let's get started. The first game we have today is a game in the Swedish Division 1 where Ostersound is taking on GIF Sandwell. And my prediction here is both team to score. The next one we have is in Kuwait where rather Asia Champions League 2 where Al Kuwait is taking on FC Nassau. And my prediction here is both team to score. The next one we have is a game in the Bulgaria Division 1 where PS, PFC Slavia Sofia is taking on Zagreb. And my prediction here is both team to score. If you want to join others and win as others are winning, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. So chat me up on WhatsApp and join our VIP. Remember, the VIP is a paid service, it's not free and there's no pay after. So make up your mind before you click the WhatsApp link. Okay, moving on. The last game we have to make today's note is a game in the Japan J League 2 where Toshima is taking on Shimshu Sports, and my prediction here is both team to score. That gives us a total of 11 odds, 4 matches in total. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, I've mentioned the league and also the club. Then go ahead and select this game in your favorite bookie and play them. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys after the game. Once again, if you want to join VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Thank you and stay blessed.